Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you the Block Blast Best Energy. Block Blast games are all about clearing a grid filled with different colored blocks. The objective is to strategically match blocks of the same color to clear them from the board. Each level comes with its own set of challenges and goals that must be met within a limited number of moves or times. Look for the patterns or opportunities where you can create chain reaction by clearing multiple blocks with a single move. Block Blast game often include special blocks such as bomb or power-ups. Make it a priority to activate these special blocks whenever possible. Instead of making random moves, try to plan your moves ahead of time. Visualize how each move will affect the rest of the board and aim for combination that will maximize your score or clear difficult areas. Creating combos by clearing multiple sets of blocks in quick succession can significantly boost your score and help you achieve higher levels faster. Don't be too quick to use your special blocks. Save them for difficult situations where they can make a significant impact. Each level in Block Blast game comes with its own set of objectives. It's important to pay attention to these objectives and prioritize them over simply clearing blocks randomly. Like any skill, mastering Block Blast game requires practice. The more you play, the better you'll become at recognizing patterns, planning moves, and utilizing power-ups effectively. Take advantage of any practice models or extra levels available in the game to hone your skill without worrying about the time limits or move restrictions. In conclusions, Block Blast games offer an exciting blend of strategy and puzzle solving that keep players engaging of hour on end. By following the tips, tricks, and strategies outlined in this ultimate guide, you'll be well equipped to tackle any Block Blast game and achieve high scores with ease. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.